Traders Anthony here, looking at Bitcoin 4-hour time frame. I'm just going to grab, see this red candle, I'm just going to pull a rectangle through here. Okay, so this is a key level here. So we've got this balance area, 4-hour time frame. We've also got this red candle here acting as a potential support level. Actually, what I'm going to do, we'll go out to the monthly and then we'll come back down the time frames. Just really want to get a higher time frame perspective on this. All right, here we go. Have a look where we're currently trading, and this previous level here, previous high, we can see that this is traded into this level, respected this level. Look here, 1, 2, 3. We've got candle bodies is traded into it, wick through, pull back here, back here. It's acted as a support level. This is a big level, right? We're trading right into it, and I'm thinking, given that this is fairly overextended, let's have a look at it on the weekly. So that's the monthly, weekly time frame. Yeah, see how it's overextended here on the weekly? I mean, that's overextended, has been for some time. Yeah, I'm thinking that we could see a bit of a pullback. So what I'm going to do is just mark up the high of this range as a point of interest, so weekly. Now I've got a monthly resistance marked up. I've got this weekly support marked up. And now we'll go down to the daily. So I'm looking for an entry point long. It's a bullish market. You know, but where do you get involved? That's the question. So see, here's the thing with this, right? Let me just pick up a Fibonacci, explain something. Right, we've got this price swing from on the daily time frame from this low right through. And I really want to discount. I don't want to be buying at a premium. Now there's a couple of things here. See, if this pulls back, see this little zone that I marked up? This is that 4-hour balance area. That would be an ideal entry for this. If this pulls back down in here, I'm interested. It's got to go through this is my red line here. It's got to trade through this 50% for me to get interested. Now, if we see a shallow pullback and it trades off without me, I'm willing to let it go. I really want this discount. So let's just, yeah, I mean, look, don't underestimate the volatility on this thing. See here, for example, look at the pullback here. Low to high, you know, and the pullback. See the 50% level here? Well, that's what I'm looking for. So that's that on the daily time frame. See, this level here, there's this balance area through here that you see, that could act as quite a significant support level. So it's possible we only see a shallow pullback and then it heads north. I'm willing to let it go if that happens. So let's just go down to the 4H and we'll get a bit closer to it. This is what I'm looking for. I want the pullback down into here, and then I'm interested. So we'll go with that. I'll go with a buy down around between the 50 and 618, something like that. Fib zone. Stop. Look, you know what? I'm going to go for a daily time frame. Maybe let's just go back to the daily. I'm going to go for an intraday / swing trade. So I think that's really more appropriate with this. Like, given the volatility, you want a fairly wide stop. So I really would prefer to trade this on the daily time frame. So look, guys, that's my setup. I'll go for a minimum of a 1 to 2 risk reward, something like that. And you've got the choice to, you know, shut it down at you know, a 2R. But you know, if this fills here and it starts to trade off, well, I mean, there's no harm in trailing it with the stop loss. Maybe take partial profits at 1R. And then pull the stop loss to break even, and then you're in a winning position at that point, and then, you know, go for broke with this, because I think we're going to see quite a strong bullish run with Bitcoin. Feb, March, something like that. That could be the thing. So that's my take on Bitcoin. And yeah, I mean, comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.